Bonjour. Let's go enjoy a morning hike to Sacré-Cœur. So, I started off by getting dressed in this really cozy outfit because it was very chilly this morning. Then I headed off to Le Mur de Je t'aime, and this is a wall that has I love you written in over 250 languages. It was such a beautiful morning because it felt like the whole city was asleep. It was just me, my thoughts, and these crazy stairs. Oh mon Dieu. All around Montmartre are these stairs because it's built into the hillside, and it just makes exploring the neighborhood feel like an inherent workout that goes beyond, a casual stroll. So when I got to the top, the sun was just starting to peek out over the city, and I saw that they had this wall of locks very similar to the one on the Seine. People just locked away their love. That's the symbolism, right? Then it was time to head inside, and it just felt really holy. I don't think there's another word to describe it. I feel like, regardless of what you believe, any place of worship, whether it's a mosque, a church, a synagogue, a temple, always holds some weight. It always incites some awe that causes you to slow down and reflect. So that's just what I did. From the bells tolling to the chanting, the singing, the stained glass windows, and the sun peeking inside, I felt like I was in another world, transported. I was also geeking out over all the history. They had placards everywhere, just telling you about the story of the cathedral. For most of this visit, I had the place to myself, and it was glorious. Soon I was pretty tired, so I decided to head out. The vibrations of the bell still echoing through my ears and reverberating through my body. It was that deep. Then I just walked around the grounds. I felt like I was in a fairy tale, and it was mystical. Then I did a little outfit check again because I just wanted to fully show you. These pieces are some that I bought brand new, others that I thrifted, like the blue cashmere and the little white fleece. I love this combination. It was so chic and cozy. And then it wouldn't be a morning with me if we didn't admire some flowers and gorgeous natural scenery. I mean, come on, look at those, so pretty. Then I headed back to Hotel Bass and enjoyed le petit déjeuner. Their breakfast there was delicious every single morning. Ugh, what a wonderful way to start the day. Peace.